In this video, I will show you how to install Downloader on your TCL Smart TV. Now over here, I have the TCL Android TV, but whether you have a TCL Google TV or a TCL Android TV just like this one, this video should still help you get the Downloader app on any TCL Smart TV you have. Now basically what you want to do first is to make sure that your TCL Smart TV is connected to the internet, and then you want to go ahead and open up the Google Play Store on your TCL Smart TV. So navigate with your remote control to where you have the Google Play Store. You can literally see the Google Play Store over here. If you're using a Google TV that does not actually have the Google Play Store app just like this, an alternative way to actually open up the Google Play Store is to just use the voice control on your TCL Smart TV remote. So just use the voice control and then just say open Google Play Store, and it will automatically open up the Google Play Store on your TCL Smart TV. And from the Google Play Store, you want to head over to this search bar at the top over here, come over to this input field, and then go ahead and search for Downloader using this virtual keyboard over here. Like you already know, the Downloader app is a very popular app, and even before I finish typing, you can literally see Downloader by AFTV News over here on the Google Play Store of my TCL Smart TV. Now mind you, if you do not find the Downloader app just as it is over here on my TCL Smart TV, I have made an alternative solution for those that do not have the Downloader app on the Google Play Store of their TV, and I'm going to be leaving link to that particular video in the description of this video, so you can actually watch that even though you do not have it on your Google Play Store. But if you have it just as it is over here, you want to go ahead and click on the install button now. And once it is done downloading, you want to go ahead and open it up directly from here if you want to. So just click on open to open up the Downloader app from here. Now click on OK, and basically we have the Downloader app now running on our TCL Smart TV. Now over here there is the option for you to go ahead and add your downloader code that should take you to a download website for any app you want to install into your TCL Smart TV. An alternative feature that actually works pretty well is to use the browser tab at the top left corner of your Downloader app. Now once you get to this browser tab, you should get this browser on the TV, and basically from the top search bar over here you can go ahead and search for any app APK you want to install into your TCL Smart TV. So for instance, I can go ahead and search for Facebook APK, and from here I should get some of the reliable websites I can actually download and install the Facebook app APK into my TCL Smart TV. So basically you can go ahead and use the browser tab in your Downloader app to still download and install any app APK you actually want into your TCL Smart TV. And that will be all on how to download and install Downloader into your TCL Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.